Hello to everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. So the reason behind me making this video is very much not special, but yes, it's little bit special because we are gonna pamper ourselves. Yes, I'm gonna pamper myself to my hairs definitely, because that's something is very much required in day-to-day life. In the reason because we are losing hair, we are getting dandruffs and lots hair problems we are facing, not only you but also me and very much other as well, because of the changing weather style, because of the changing shampoos we can say, because of the uses of hot waters, or because of the food which we eat, or because of lots of stress we can say definitely. So yes, for those stuff I have actually the reason behind me making this video is I use some of the homemade stuff definitely. Mostly in this period where we are inside the home, maximum people are inside the home, so I use few homemade stuff for my hairs and also for my hair mask as well as for my facial mask. So I will be sharing it with you guys, and also benefits if you will be doing it, because it's something is homemade and it's something is very much natural. So it's not you don't require any outside products or any harmful products or any investment for it, something that you will be definitely finding out in the kitchen of your house. So yes, first I will be trying out the hair mask. I will be sharing out the hair mask tip with you, and for that you don't need much ingredients. You just need 2 ingredients, and that is just an onion and a lemon. Yes, I have taken just a half lemon because that's very much enough for my hair, because my hair is very much short nowadays. So yes, a whole onion will also work. Take this onion, chop it into 4 pieces and grind it in the mixture. Once you are done with the grinding, take a handkerchief and squeeze all the water and take all the water materials in a bowl. So yes, somewhere it will be looking this, it's totally a liquid, everything is a liquid. I don't know you can see or not, but once you will squeeze all the onion that you have chopped and grinded out, you will just get the liquid part. Once you are done with taking it in a bowl, add a half lemon, it's very much enough. So here I will be also adding the parachute oil, the oil which you are using, which you are used to in your hairs. Add just a little bit, or 2 to 3 drops will be fine. So now you will get a thick texture of this, where you will get also oil and also the lemon that you have squeezed it out. Mix it well with your hands, it's fine, or with a brush, whatsoever you are doing, and apply it very much gently. And when you are applying, try applying it in your scalp, because I will be applying only in the scalp, not on the bottom part, because all the roots is, the roots needs to get nourished very well, so that it becomes a little bit healthy and it becomes energetic, not energetic we can say, but it needs all the protein. Hair also needs some protein, some good nourishment. So I will be giving all this liquid format to my scalp and massage it very much gently. Don't be very much fast, don't be very much be hard towards your scalp. Massage it very much gently, so that you may feel, so that all the liquid part gets settled in your head, settled in your scalp very much, and it gives a good result. And believe me, it definitely will be giving you a good result if you will be definitely trying it on an ongoing basis for 1 or 2 months. You will definitely see the changes of your hair, the quantity of the hair, in case of hair fall, or in case of dandruff stuff which we face mostly in our hairs. yes, I have just applied the mask and I have tied up my hairs. Just keep it in a tight position so that it may all the mask get settles up. Just keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it, because if you'll keep for more hours, the more smell will be still there in your hair. So wash it with the conditioner. Mostly if you will be taking a conditioner and shampoo of a milk product, of a milk ingredient product, it will be very much good. It will help your hair to grow more and healthier. If not, you can use the simpler, whichever you have, the conditioner and the shampoo you have, but just keep it for 15 to 20 minutes only. So now I will be applying a facial mask. I will be making a facial mask that I always use and that gives a very much good results on my skin. You must also surely try it if you are not allergic to besan, because it is a mask of besan. Definitely I will be using besan and milk. It's a very much good products to use on our skin. Milk is also good for our hairs as well as for our skin. So yes, I will be using these both, plus I will be adding the lemon, which I have also used for my hair because it helps a lot in taking out the oil materials from your skin, from your face we can say. Add some milk over it and little bit of lemon. I will be adding the same half pieces that I have added, that I have used in my hair also. I will be just adding a little bit, just 4-5 drops, and mix it very well. You can also add turmeric also in it, like with besan it will also go good. But here I don't want turmeric, but some people are very much allergic to turmeric. But yes, it definitely gives a good look. So yes, my mask is ready. It's little bit thick because I am just using it for my face. You can also apply it over your body as well. It will give you a good look once you'll wash it. So yes, we are back and I have just washed my hairs and also cleaned the face, the mask that I have applied, and yes, that's how the facial mask, that's how the effect of the facial mask that you can see. It has no filter in it and it's the clear look. I can just feel the softness in my skin and you will definitely feel, because combination of besan and milk is a very much pure and healthy combination for your skin, and definitely you will be getting to see the result as soon as you will be applying it in a continuous manner, definitely in a continuous manner. And yes, for the hairs, I'll definitely suggest you to try this onion hair mask, because that definitely will give you a good result if you will be continuously using it and applying it, and definitely you'll see the result. You'll see the less hair fall and you'll definitely see growth in your hairs. So yes, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, do share with your friends, do leave the comments how did you find this video, and yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.